Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. I hope you're all doing well. I am also doing well. In fact, I'm feeling much better. So today I thought of sharing with you guys a very quick hack. This is a must-know hack if in case you love wearing tassel earrings or any kind of tassel jewelry for that matter. Now, we know how much this kind of jewelry is trending of late, but the difficult part is to maintain this after a couple of uses. If you just keep it in the box, also it tends to get wrinkled like this. Like you can see on the screen, the silk thread strands are not very straight. So when you wear something like this, it might not look tidy. It might just end up looking very shabby. So in today's video, I'm going to share a very quick and easy hack on how to fix these in less than 2 minutes. Please watch till the end, and I'm sure this video is helpful to each one of you. So now without any delay, let's get started. So for today's hack, I'm going to use this kind of a steamer. I have the steamer because I have sinus issues. I suffer with cold, very severe cold every now and then. So this is something that comes handy. So I have bought this. In case you do not have, you can simply boil water in a vessel and do the same thing whatever I'm doing with the steamer. In the past, I have posted video on how to straighten the tassel thread using a hair straightener. Lot of you have asked or messaged me saying you do not have hair straightener, what is the other way around? So here it is. You can follow this method as well and it will work very good. If you have hair straightener, nothing like it, you can simply straighten the silk thread strands just like how you iron or straighten your hair. But this is for somebody who doesn't have a hair straightener, and this trick really helps uh, the strands to remain straight for a longer time. This will not have any static because usually when we tend to straighten the silk thread strands using a hair straightener, there is some kind of static that gets generated, but in this method there is no static at all. So it is very simple. All I have done is I have filled the steamer with some water, plugged it to the uh, electricity output, and then I've just I using the ear hooks, I just hung these earrings and I've left it for around 1 to 1.5 minutes in fact. Now the one I'm holding in my hand is a latkan, it doesn't have a hook, so I didn't have any other way but to hold it in my hand. Now you can see the difference. The difference is so evident, I can't tell you guys. I will very soon show the before and after. It works wonders, I must tell you. So in case you love wearing tassel jewelry and you tend to think twice because when you're trying to pick up the jewelry, you might get this thought, okay, it is fine for 1 or 2 wears and then it all gets shabby. So you don't have to worry anymore. Just follow this hack or try this hack and I am sure it will work for you guys. So this is what happened after 1 to 1.5 minutes. It is pitch straight and I did not iron it. I did not use iron at all in this video. So that's how simple and easy it is. You can use this method to straighten your tassels on the sari as well. Just hold the pallu for the steam at a distance. Don't make sure you're not staining your sari with silk sari with the water stains. Work very carefully and I'm sure it will work with your sari tassels as well. So this was a quick tip or a hack I wanted to share with you guys since quite some time. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. In case you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Keep sharing our videos with your friends, and in case you try this hack yourself, do let me know in the comment section as to how it worked for you. If you have any doubts, please do mention in the comment section and I'll get back to you guys. Connect with us on all the social media. Follow us on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook for all the updates. So I guess that's all for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.